15 foods that clean your liver. Number 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collard greens, and other leafy greens are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support liver detoxification processes. Number 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and cauliflower contain compounds that enhance liver detoxification enzymes. Number 3. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and other berries are high in antioxidants, which help protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Number 4. Citrus fruits. Lemons, oranges, grapefruits, and limes are rich in vitamin C, which stimulates the production of liver detoxification enzymes. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that support liver detoxification and may help reduce inflammation in the liver. Number 6. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may benefit liver health. Number 7. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect against liver damage. Number 8. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to support liver function and reduce the risk of liver disease. Number 9. Walnuts. Walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which may help protect liver cells from damage. Number 10. Avocado. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, including glutathione, which supports liver detoxification. Number 11. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, which may help reduce inflammation in the liver. Number 12. Beets. Beets contain betaine, a compound that supports liver detoxification and may help reduce fatty deposits in the liver. Number 13. Artichokes. Artichokes contain compounds that stimulate bile production, which aids in digestion and liver function. Number 14. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and other fatty fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which may help reduce inflammation in the liver. Number 15. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, flax seeds, and chia seeds are rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, which support liver health. Thanks for watching.